how to write the give reasons questions from periodic table. Mostly for class 10 ICSE and class 9 ICSE, you will have questions like this. So the first question we have is, in the same period or subgroup, a gradual change in the particular property may be seen. And the answer to that, in the same period, the number of shells remains the same, but the number of valence electrons increases gradually, resulting in the gradual change in the periodic properties. In a subgroup, the number of electrons in the valence shells remains the same, but the number of shells gradually increases, resulting in the gradual increase in periodic properties. Give reason question 2. Atomic size of group 18, that is 0 group elements, is more than the atomic size of group 17, that is 7A elements. The answer to that is, the elements of group 17, that is 7A, have more attraction between the nucleus and the valence shells having 7 electrons, resulting in the smaller atomic size. But the elements of group 18, that is 0 group, they have each shell filled with electrons to the maximum capacity. This results in a force of repulsion between the shells, increasing the atomic size. Question 3. Give reason. Ionization potential increases with increase in nuclear charge. Answer to this: as the nuclear charge increases, the force on valence shell electrons increases. Thus, the electrons are more strongly bound to the nucleus, resulting in more energy required to remove the electrons, and the ionization potential increases. Question number 4 of give reason. Electron affinity of noble gas elements is 0. The answer: noble gas elements have their duplet or octet complete and have a stable electronic configuration. Hence, they do not accept electrons and the electron affinity is 0. Question 5 of give reason. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine are electronegative elements of the periodic table. The answer to this: phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine are from period 3 and group 15, 16, 17 respectively. Their nuclear charge is gradually increasing and the atomic size gradually decreasing. Thus, their tendency to attract electrons when combined in a compound is more, making them electronegative. Question 6 of give reason. Sulphur is placed in group 16 or 6A, chlorine in group 17, 7A, but argon in group 18 of the periodic table. The answer: sulfur has electronic configuration 286. Hence, it is placed in period 3 and group 16, that is 6A. Chlorine has electronic configuration 287. Hence, it is placed in period 3 and group 17, that is 7A. But argon has electronic configuration 288. Hence, it is placed in period 3, group 18, that is 0 group. Question 7. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. The answer to this: fluorine has electronic configuration 2,7 and it is placed in period 2 and group 17, that is 7A. That will be on the right of the periodic table, right? The tendency to attract the electrons in combined form, that is electronegativity, is the highest in halogen, that is group 17. And as we go down a group, the electronegativity decreases. Hence, fluorine, which is the topmost halogen, is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Question number 8. Atoms with large atomic radii and low ionization potential are more metallic in nature. The answer to this: the atoms with large atomic radii have their electrons loosely bound to the nucleus due to less nuclear force. The atoms with less ionization potential require less energy to remove the electron from the outermost shell. In both cases, it is easy for the atom to lose electrons to form a cation and become electropositive. Thus, they are more metallic in nature. Question 9. A decrease in ionization potential of an element leads to a decrease in non-metallic character of the element. The answer to this: when the ionization potential decreases, its ability to lose the electrons increases, and it loses electrons more readily to become a cation, that is electropositive and metallic. Thus, its tendency to gain electrons decreases, and it leads to a decrease in forming an anion, that is to be electronegative, and the non-metallic character decreases. And the last question, question 10, atomic size decreases across a period but increases down a groove of a periodic table. And the answer to this: across a period of the periodic table, the number of shells remains the same, but the nuclear charge increases. This increases the force on the valence shell, decreases the atomic size. Down the group, the number of shells increases gradually, increasing the atomic size, right? But the nuclear charge also increases and the atomic size should decrease. But the increase in the number of shells dominates over the increase in the nuclear charge. And overall, the atomic size increases down a group. So I hope you have understood how to write the give reasons questions of periodic table. All the best for all your tests. Bye.